Hey, this is Rikki Webster. Welcome back to another tips and tricks video for WordPress and Elementor beginners. So this time I'm going to show you how to back up your website with one simple click of a button. It's a really good idea to back up your website once you finish building it. If something goes wrong, if you end up getting hacked or there's a server issue or whatever it might be, it's much easier to reinstall your website at the click of a button rather than having to rebuild the whole thing. So I'm going to show you how. It's really easy. So we'll go into our plugins page and we're going to add new plugin and we're going to search for all-in-one WP migration. This is the plugin that you're going to need. So unlike other plugins, all-in-one WP migration takes care of absolutely everything with one click of a button. No need to save things separately, no need to do a million different things. One click and you're done. So let's install this. As we can see, 4 million plus views, so it's obviously a good one. Let's click to install, and now we're going to activate it. So there we go, plugin activated. If we scroll down, it now appears on the left. If we click into it, you'll see that basically we have an opportunity to export our site. So you can either export or import. So how we would back up our website is to click down here to export to, and you can export it to a ton of different things, but I'm just going to export it to a file. Now it's going to prepare to export, and basically what happens is it will put everything into one file that's then downloadable onto your computer. Okay, and there we go, as simple as that. So basically now all-in-one WP migration has done its thing. All we need to do is click on download, and it's going to start downloading the file onto our computer. Okay, so there we go. Our file has now downloaded onto our computer. Keep it safe because you never know when you're going to need it. So if we close this down, the way to actually import it back in. So for example, if something happens with your website, you need to re-import into a fresh copy of WordPress. All you need to do is go into WP migration again, import this time, and then import from file, and then simply drag in the file from where you saved it, and away you go. The site will take probably 2 to 5 minutes to update depending on the size of the site, but that 2 to 5 minutes is so much faster than having to rebuild your website. So there we go. That is how you make a copy of your website, export it and import it back into WordPress to save you hours of work. If you found this video useful, please do like and comment, and also please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. I'm Rikki Webster. Until next time, thanks very much.